We now solve the following problems. It is known from the past experience that in a certain power plant there are on average 4 industrial accidents per month. Find the probability that in a given month there will be first 2 industrial accidents, second at most 2 accidents. Such a problem has to be solved using the Poisson distribution. The Poisson formula is given by P of x equal to k is equal to e raised to minus lambda raised to k upon k factorial. Now in this case, x is the counting variable. Whatever you are counting, like in this case, in the previous problem which we just read, we were counting the number of accidents. So x is that accident count. K is the interested number. Whatever number you are interested will serve as your k. Lambda, see, x is done, k is done, e is already given in the question. Lambda is the average. Lambda is the average, which is also called as the mean. So we now solve the following problem. It is known that from the past experience that in a certain power plant, on an average, 4 industrial accidents occur. Find the probability that in a given month, there will be 2 industrial accidents. First one is, we are counting x is number of accidents. So we want P of x. Now if you clearly observe, the formula we use the Poisson formula, which is e raised to minus lambda raised to k upon k factorial. The k is the interested number in which we are interested. The k is 2. For the first sub question, the k is 2 industrial accidents. Lambda is the average, which is nothing but 4. So we want P of x equal to 2 equal to e raised to minus 4, 2 raised to 4, sorry, lambda is 4, so 4, k is 2, 4 raised to 2 upon 2 factorial. Now, 2 factorial is 1 into 2, which is 2. E raised to minus 4 is given as 0.016, so this is 0.016. 4 square is 16. 4 square is 4 into 4, which is 16, and upon 2. So we get this, and we get the answer is 0.016 into 8, which is, so we find out this value using a calculator. 0.08, which is 0.128. This is the answer. Similarly, now we solve the second one, in which it is at most 2 accidents. So we want P of x. We want at most 2 accidents. At most 2 means what? Maximum 2. Maximum 2 means what? If you compare x and 2, 2 should be larger. That means the crocodile sign should face 2. So we want at most 2 accidents. So if we compare x and 2, 2 should be larger. So the crocodile should face 2. Now when I say at most 2, the value x can take is either 0, or it can be 1, or it can be 2. When I say at most 2, the value which it can take is either 0, or the value could be 1, or the value could be 2. So this value is nothing but P of x equal to 0 plus P of x equal to 1 plus P of x equal to 2. Now we find out each using the above formula. this formula which we are interested in, the Poisson's formula. So we take P of, understand one thing, the question is same. So in our question, the average lambda is 4. So now what are we interested is P of x equal to 0. So we say k also will become 0. So e raised to minus lambda, lambda was 4, then 4 raised to 0 upon 0 factorial. So e raised to minus 4 is left, 4 raised to 0 is 1, 0 factorial is 1, we left with e raised to minus 4. E raised to minus 4 is called, the value is given in the question, it is given as 0.016. So this value is 0.016. So this P of x equal to 0 is 0.016. Similarly, we want P of x equal to 1. So in this case, it will be e raised to minus 4, 4 raised to 1. So k will be 1, that's what? Upon 1 factorial, e raised to minus 4, 4 ones are 4 upon 1. E raised to minus 4 is 0.016, which is given into 4. This value is 0.064. So we put P of x equal to 1 is 0.064. So this is 0.064. Similarly, P of x equal to 2 you have to find in a similar way. In fact, this P of x equal to 2 we have already found, and this value is 0.128. The P of x equal to 0, 2 value is already found. This is 0.128. So we now add all this, and this will be 0.208. So we have solved the second part. The second part was asking about, if you observe, the second part was asking about at most 2. At most 2 means what? Maximum 1 accident. So there could be 0 accidents allowed, there could be, or there could be 1 accident, or there could be 2 accidents. So like in all previous problem, we do it as P of x0 plus P of x1 plus P of x2. All these values x0, x1, x2, we have to find out using this Poisson distribution formula, e raised to minus k lambda raised to k upon k factorial. The lambda in this case is the average, and our question clearly mentions that in a power plant on an average 4. So the lambda is 4, and then the k is nothing but, it depends. In the case of x0, k will be 0. Case of x1, k will be 1. Case of x2, k will be 2. And then using P of x equal to 0 calculation is shown here. P of x equal to 1 calculation is shown here. P of x equal to 2 calculation is also shown here. And then after inserting all these values, we get the answer. With this, we come to the end.